Thinking about applying for a home mortgage? Well, let me tell you the 7 things that you need to know before you go ahead and do that. Number 1 tip, let's just dive into it, everybody. I'm Natasha Koch with the Van City Home Team. I've been a realtor for over 22 years, and let me tell you the 7 things that you need to know before you apply for a home mortgage loan. Number 1 thing not to do, don't deposit large sums of cash into your bank account. Lenders need to source where your money came from, and it is not easily traceable when there are large deposits made. So make sure that you document your transactions properly and don't put large deposits in. Number 2, don't make any large purchases. It's not only home-related purchases that matter and that could actually cause you to not qualify for that loan. Any large purchases makes it a big red flag to a lender. So resist the temptation and don't buy that furniture or appliances, or definitely not a new car. Number 3, don't co-sign any loans. I know we have friends and family that need us, and you may think that it won't affect your credit if you co-sign just a little loan for them. But when you co-sign a loan, you're actually making yourself responsible in case that person defaults on the loan. And the way the lender looks at that is, oh, you could be responsible. Even if it never happens, it could happen, and that is a red flag for a lender. Number 4, don't switch bank accounts. Lenders want to see trackable history. They want to see consistency. So moving around to a different institution is not a good idea. So stay with the current institution that you're with. Number 5, don't apply for new credit. You may get a good deal. Somebody just asked me recently, should I take on this new credit card that I got? It's a great interest rate offer. No, don't do it. Doesn't matter whether it's a new card or a new car or a new credit report. Organizations that have multiple financial channels, it will have an impact on your score, and we want to keep your score, which is called the Beacon score, by the way, as high as possible. Number 6, don't close any accounts. Leave them open. Many buyers believe that having less credit makes them less risky, but it's actually not true. The more credit you have is great, as long as it's not maxed to the hilt. So if you have a line of credit, don't close it out. It's fine, as long as you're not owing a huge balance on it. Just make sure you make your payments on time, and the lender will think that is just fine. Now, last but not least, do discuss changes with your lender. If something happens, your job changes, be upfront about those changes. There's nothing worse than getting to the closing date when you don't know if you're going to qualify, because just because the lender says, yes, you're approved, doesn't mean that something could alter that and change the status really, really quickly. So ultimately, it's always best to fully disclose and discuss your intentions of your loan with whom you're dealing with. Now, if you do need a name of a great mortgage broker, we have a list at the Van City Home Team. If you like the information that we're providing, please subscribe to our channel. And, if you want to hear about other topics, just put it in the comments and we'll talk about it next time. Now, good luck with your home hunting search, and